Hello everyone, I'm Sujay from Team Binary Bosses. In this video, we are going to discuss about Oneplus Landing Page using VS Code. So, let's get started. The first start is from the doc.html. HTML. The title has Oneplus Landing Page, link, style.css, and in that OnePlus landing page we are going to add few font awesome icons. Here are the few font awesome icons which are related to the style sheet. And then inside the body we have taken as a h6 header tag to h6 header tag. So our output looks like this. Okay, sorry. So this is our output which looks like this. So this is the thing we have to replicate. And then so we do have an nav bar here, so we are including a nav bar. So here's a nav bar. Inside that nav bar we have taken an unordered list. In that unordered list we have taken two types, that is class as a container and id and a container. Similarly, there is a class called container and id called container here, and I've placed an image inside the container, that is the OnePlus logo. And here is the list of that here are the few lists that includes a phone, TV display, audio and watch, tablet accessories, offers Onetopia, OnePlus featuring and support. And here are the few font awesome icons that I have linked here. And then in the header part, we've taken a background image. So we've in the background image we've taken it as a class. Here we have taken a content as a class, and in that we've taken P as a sale is live now, and in that we've given a HR tag and a PR tag. HR tags includes a horizontal line, and PR tag which breaks the line. And here are the few paragraphs inside that. Here the SUV tag indicates OnePlus 11 5G should appear at the top. I'll show you here the OnePlus 5G, like this it should appear. So after that I've taken an a tag, link your OnePlus device now and get an 2000 rupees. This and hash 8377, it represents a rupee symbol. Okay, and then I've taken a class box, id box, in class is a box and id of box one, and in that we've taken an image. And after that we've taken a button having a class split left, buy now, and the class split right, learn more. And I've taken a few class names as Sujay, Thirumal, GK and KG. I've assigned a button to the Thirumal tag, that I've added a few text in that. And after that I've added an image to the Sujay tag, I mean Sujay class. And here is, as you can see, here is an SUP star. I'll show you in the output, then gets clear. So it's totally white color, I think. We'll include CSS and we'll check that afterwards. Okay, here JK, and we've taken an IDS box 3 and a KG IDS box 4, which includes star INCL discount. So thus the end of the HTML. So let's continue to the CSS part. So here's the CSS background image. Here we have taken the background image in the class, and we've applied a background image. Here we have applied a background image. Let's check. Okay, after that we've taken star. So we've completed up to the background image, and then we'll move on to the elements in the HTML tag. So we've adjusted margin as 0 and padding left as 0 cap. After that we've taken the nav, right, and then to represent all the list in the nav, and we've adjusted background color, width, position, height. We've taken a container, we've taken a class of container. So we are taking dot container, which align in the dot container we are aligning the items towards the center. Display as flex, list type as none, font size as 12 pt, padding as 0.5%, position absolute, justify content. So these are the things that we have applied. Let's check the. So here's the thing that we got. Here's a background image, here's the navigation bar, and at the top we've got the sale is live now for that. and here is an image. Here are the buttons. Here is the few more images. So let's continue. After that, dot container. After the dot container, we are placing with a nav ULLI. Here the nav ULLI represents the LI, I mean the list under the unordered list and the nav part, and the font size to be considered as small. The image should be the image of the width should be for 50 pixels and 20 pixels. The position as a relative, bottom is 20 pixels, 2 pixels. And so let's move on with the H6. So we've taken H6 as the top one, right? The sale is live now. The sale is live now for OnePlus 5G Marble. So the background color is applied as black. The text align is center, considered white. Color as white. Font size is considered to be small. So here the dot content. The dot content represents the here the dot content represents the class, which in that class we have represented the p type. P sale is live now, and some of the lists. So in that list we have adjusted the padding of 10 pixels, margin 20 pixels, display as grid, color and color position bottom. We have adjusted everything. So we've got this to the top. Now we should move these items to the bottom. Okay, let's do it. After that, yeah, header content part is this, right? The header content includes the background image, the class of content, and these images, split left, split right, and these all the classes thermals, so JK, and JK, and dot split. Here the dot split includes the split right and the split left. Okay, it moves both the buttons. Okay, it moves both the buttons. After that, let's check now. Here is the thing, which changes that we got after that. Split dot left and split dot right. We are moving. We have combinedly moved the buttons right, but now we are changing the buttons. Dot split left, dot split right. Separately, we are mentioning the adjustments of that buttons. Yeah, here is the content A hashtag content. I mean, hashtag represents the ID of that container, and is hashtag container 2 represents the ID of that container. Here, left 0, right 0 means the content after the left should be nothing, and the content after the right should be nothing. The button is to hover here. The hovering effect is maintained as the underline. Of Maintained as underline. Yeah, we've taken classes. The box is as a class, right? The display, we're representing the display as flex, the background color as transparent, and font size 5pt, box sizing, position and width. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, here is the transparent thing that we've got. Here is the color white. Yeah, here's the box one. We've adjusted this to the left of left 0. Okay, we've completed to box one, right? We've taken the class as a thermal and we've set the position as a relative. In that thermal class, we've taken the P as a paragraph and we've written a few text in that, so that the text of the color represents white and the font size to be of 7.2 pixels, and hash box 2 represents the ID of that box 2 and the position relative, bottom as 25 pixels. Here dot Sujay represents a class, and that represents a position to be relative, hash 1. So here is the hash 1. Hash 1 is the image which is inside that. This is the hash 1. So this is the hash one, and we've adjusted the position relative and bottom. From the bottom, we are moving to the top at 50 pixels, and the left means we are moving towards right by giving the space of left of 50 pixels, and we are giving JK and position relative and hash box 3 to the position relative and box 50 pixels, dot KJ to the position relative and hash box 4 position relative and box bottom 70 pixels. So that's it, friends, and we are looking at the output. So here are the hovering effects of the output, and we can see Here is the black background image, and this is the hash 8377, and 8377 represents this and rupee symbol here, and these are the font awesome icons labeled, and this is the background image, and here is a horizontal bar, and this is the SUP tag which is used for the above displaying at the power. So yeah, that's it, friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.